Have a good day once more, grade 5. For your spelling, for your spelling activity, open your book, your phonics book on page 97. So for page 97, 98, and 99, you can do it all alone by yourself because what you're going to do is to sort out the words and must be familiar with the spellings of those words. But nevertheless, what is important there is you may be able to understand those words exactly. Aside from that, in the following slides, I will explain to you what do those words mean, and then we will discuss also the some samples of the instances in which you can use those words. Actually, in these spelling words that you have, you must be very you. We are working here on the prefixes, okay, on the prefixes like re, an, and sub. So please take note that a prefix an is a prefix that negates. It is a prefix that negates, or it is a prefix that give the opposite meaning. Okay? It is a prefix that give the opposite meaning of the word. Now, so for example, I have here, we will try to take a look on some of the examples of these words that we are referring into. Uh, a minute. Okay. I'm showing to you now, I will be showing to you now, page 97 of your book. Page 97 of your book. Let me share the screen to you so we can be cleared of it. So I hope it's there now. So for example, the prefix, the word unusual. So you have here a prefix un, and the base word is usual. What do we mean by that? Meaning to say, unusual is not usual. So usual, in other words, we say it common. Now since the prefix "un" means not, so altogether your definition becomes not common. So it's always the opposite. It's always the opposite of the meaning. Now, the word also prefix regain. So your prefix here is re and the base word is gain. So since re can mean again, so we mean to say gain back or take back or having it again or have it again. Now, another prefix here. For example, refreeze. So for the word refreeze, your prefix is re. Your base word is freeze. So freeze meaning to say to solidify a water. So from a liquid, you place it inside the refrigerator, it becomes solid. So once you take it out from the refrigerator, it will be on a melted state. Now, if you would like to put it again into a solid state, so you refreeze it by placing it inside the freezer. Now, another prefix here, disconnect. You have this, which means remove or not, also the same as the prefix an, and then plus the word connect. Also the prefix none, which also means not, with the similar meaning to the prefix mis, none, this, an. All of these prefixes plus are negating prefixes or prefixes that gives you the opposite meaning. In addition to that, you have also in and im. This prefix also negates. Sub and over can mean under. Okay, can mean under or below. Now, driving you to page 98 and 99. For 98, you have to spell the words correctly. And on page 99, sort out the words according to the prefixes. Okay? So, I will read the word once and then you will follow after me as a practice. So, I will say it first and then you follow after me. Unusual, underwater, regain, repaired, unaware, unfriendly, unfinished, unimportant, refreeze, replenish, reunite, rediscover, rewrap, disconnect, discourage, dishonest, non-specific, misguide, overwhelm, submerge. So those are the vocabulary, the spelling words that you will deal with in the coming pages. Now, we will go to what do these words mean. So on the first slide here, we will show to you the first spelling word. You have unusual. The meaning, not habitually or commonly occurring or done. Based on the picture that you have here, it is not common for a monkey and a dog to be good friends. So this is unusual occurrence. So if ever this happens, maybe one in a million. A dog doesn't want to see a monkey, neither a monkey also wants to find a dog. So it is unusual. Next, vocabulary, underwater. Situated, occurring, or done beneath the surface of the water. So look at this picture here. The corals are under the water, or the corals cannot be found somewhere else, but it is beneath the surface of the water. Regain, obtain possession or use of something typically or quality or ability to gain after losing. Look at the head of this man. Okay, so the scalp of this man before has almost no hair. After using the medicine, so you look at his scalp again, the scalp is again filled with hair. So this portion here is regained portion and this one is deceased portion. So regain means to get back, to obtain again the possession. Okay, next word, repaired. Repaired, restore something damaged, faulty, or worn to a good condition. So this car here, on the other side, it is broken and damaged. After being fixed in the repair shop, so it is brought back to its original state. So this portion is a repaired state. This is a damaged state. Unaware, having no knowledge or of a situation or fact. The hen here or the chicken here, since the chicken is busy or is fully occupied with a worm that is facing him, okay, that is facing her, she did not notice that a fox is at his back. So the state of the hen here is unaware. She's unaware that, or having no knowledge that the fox is approaching. Next, unfriendly. 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 Now, see, unfriendly meaning not friendly. These children here are both unfriendly. They don't want each other. Unfinished, not finished, or conducted, or incomplete. This bridge here on your screen cannot be used because it's not done yet. Unfinished. Unimportant, lacking an importance or significance. So this letter N is not important actually in the group of dice here. That is why it is being removed. So something that is not important should be removed or is removed. Refreeze. See, look at the picture here. Make or become frozen again. For example, these things were taken out of the freezer because the freezer is being cleaned. So after the freezer is back to its original state, so the items or the meats are brought back again for refreezing. So refreeze, make or become frozen again. Replenish. So fill something up again. Look at the picture here shows to you that the glass here, the empty glass is being filled with water again. So replenish. Reunite. Come together or cause to come together again after a long period of separation or disunity. This mother and son here, maybe they were separated for some time. Then after coming back again, when the mother returned to the son, so they become reunited. Unite again. Come again. They become close again. Rediscover something, rediscover or discover again something forgotten or ignored. For example, this ravine here or this canyon here that has been forgotten, nobody minds it. Now here comes the woman here who would like to expose again, who would like to show again the public the beauty of the canyon. So she wants everybody again to appreciate the beauty of the canyon. Rediscover, meaning to say of rediscover, it has been known again, but it was after knowing it for some time, it happens that, this place has been forgotten or out of what you call this, out of recollection. So what this woman is doing is to get again the picture or the view of this place, so to remind those who has forgotten that there is another beautiful place behind. And then wrap something again or differently. Look at these gifts again here. Although these are the same gifts, but they don't have the same color or the same packages. So this one is different from the other. For example, this one is also is a mobile phone. The content of this is a mobile phone. The same with this one here, mobile phone. But from this, it was rewrapped to another, okay, wrapper, to another kind. Or cover again. So to rewrap is to cover again also. Disconnect. So you have here two plugs. So disconnect, break the connection of or between. So when you pull your plug away from the socket, so you disconnect it. Discourage, cause someone to lose confidence or enthusiasm. This boy here is very happy to have drawn these three uh, cartoons here. See, he's excited to give it to the teacher, but when the teacher finds it, the teacher was angry and was not happy or is not happy to find his drawing, and instead of praising her, the teacher even uh, said something, some words that are critical to the drawings of the boy. So what happened to the feeling of the boy? He lose confidence. He's not trusting himself now. The next time, he will not draw again because of the discouragement he has faced. Dishonest. So this is how a dishonest person look like. While the other is answering it intently, okay, all by his own. The other one is cheating. So a person who cheats is dishonest, having or prone to behave in an untrustworthy, deceitful, or insincere way. Non-specific, not detailed or exact. This is an example of a non-specific thing here. So if you find the similarity, still if you have to describe it, there's no specific which one, okay, really is the same from the two here, okay? Non-specific, not detailed or exact. Misguide. See, who is this person here? So if somebody like this one, this red one here guides you, you will really be misguided, or what is given to you is misleading. Now, if you follow this kind of person, you are called misguide or misguided, and you will likely to break the rules. So anybody who breaks the rules is called misguide or misguided. Overwhelmed, buried down beneath a huge mass of something, especially water. Now, the example that I have given you is not actually the water, but this woman here is what? Having so much work, okay, so much work to do. So she cannot even breathe, okay, uh, out of the work she has left behind. While this man also is overwhelmed with complaints, overwhelmed with what you call this, anger maybe of the other workers around him, overwhelmed. Or if you don't know what to do first, okay, what to prioritize, you're overwhelmed with your responsibilities. Submerge, cause something to be under the water. So look at this torpedo here, or this submarine. So the submarine is submerged under water. Now, it's your work to answer page 100 and 101 of your spelling book.